Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Can't really push this anymore. It's late in the day. See if I can roll. Yeah, it doesn't look good. It's not bad. Alright, let's try it. Filled. Alright, push it off for another week. It's not bad, 500. I'll take it. What else we got? Nope. Looks okay. Might be good to close that out. Just so I minimize the risk. Expires next week. Shouldn't be a big deal. Just gonna close it. Take the profit. It's a good deal. Alright, these others aren't expiring yet. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. As always, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. And be sure to subscribe for more updates on the daily options trade and wealth building techniques. Thanks for watching.